Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda HR-V versus Kona. Compare features, pricing, and ownership tips to pick the crossover that fits your needs. I'll walk through performance, interior space, safety tech, and ownership costs in plain language. Listen for practical trade-offs like cargo versus rear seat comfort and available driver assists. By the end, you should feel confident choosing between the HR-V and the Kona based on your lifestyle. The performance section looks at engines, ride, and handling so you know what to expect on daily drives. I'll explain how the HR-V favors comfort and a relaxed feel while the Kona leans toward a livelier drive, especially in sport trims. We'll cover real-world fuel economy, traction options, and visibility for city parking. Think about whether you prefer soft compliance or a firmer, more engaging ride when making your choice. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your trunk from smelling like last night's lunch, which is oddly relevant after grocery talks about cargo. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons. I'll point to the product link and deals in the description below, so check that out. Now let's get back to the video. Interior and tech often decide family buyers, so I'll highlight seating, cargo, and infotainment differences. The HR-V gives extra rear legroom and a clever cargo floor, while the Kona focuses on a stylish cabin and available upgrades. I'll point out which trims include adaptive cruise, lane assist, and larger screens. Consider passenger comfort first, then prioritize the tech package that matches your commuting and smartphone needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.